And today I want to do a quick test for you, and what I want to test is the water system in your coach, so you can know how long you have when you're like dry camping. And this coach right here, it says it sleeps 8 people, and whether you're renting one or buying one, me and Bev do a lot of dry camping. So what I'm going to do today is start the shower at full blast. The coach holds 44 gallons of water. It has 39-gallon gray tank, and I want to see how long it takes. I want to put a timer on it and see how long it takes to drain the freshwater tank. So we'll go ahead and get started here, and I'm going to turn the shower on full blast. Okay, so I have the water going full blast. Hot and cold is on. So we'll see what happens here. We'll see how long it takes. I'm going to guess somewhere between 10 to 15 minutes is my guess. So it's not a lot of water. That's what I'm trying to prove this point here, because when you're out there, you really got to budget yourself. Me and Bev, we can do 5 days and 4 nights, and that's showering every night. But you got to be extremely careful when you're doing that. You're not just doing anything you want to do. So, like I said, I've got the water on full blast. We'll see what happens here. See how long it takes. I'll show you the tank. This is the tank on that's a freshwater tank right there, and you can see it. And it'll slowly start to drain. You can already see it starting to drain. You can see right here we're about 11 minutes in to the water running full throttle, and we're a little over halfway. So we'll see what it is. So why these numbers are important to you, because you really got to budget your water when you're dry camping. If you want to take a shower, just think of it. If you have 8 people in this coach right now, we've gone 11 minutes. So you only have 8 people at like a minute and a half showers, 2-minute showers. You know, 16 minutes will be, each person gets 2 minutes in the shower. That's not a very long shower. So what me and Bev do to conserve water is we turn, there's a little button on the shower head here, and I'll show it to you real quick. This little button right here, I don't want to push it, but if I push that, it would stop the water. So that's what we do. We just literally rinse on, and that probably takes all of about 30-40 seconds, and then rinse off. That takes a little bit longer. That's probably about a minute, minute and a half, 2 minutes. I'll take a shower in here one day and we'll figure it out. But you can see right now I got the shower going full throttle, and we've been into it now. Now we're into it for about 13 and a half minutes, and I would say we're getting down to 1/3 of a tank. So it's going to go a little bit longer than I thought. I thought about 10 to 15 minutes. It's actually going to go probably 20 to 22, 23 minutes. So then you just do the math. Whenever you turn this thing on, that's how much water you have. If you have a bunch of people in here, or in your coach, and you're all trying to take showers off the fresh water system, you know, guess what? You each got about a minute or 2. That's it. 8 people, do the math. 2 minutes, you know what I'm saying? 8 times 2 is 16. So, you know, and then you have a little toilet and a hand free, so that's about a day. That's about all you're going to get out of it. Now, if you're really conservative, really know what you're doing, you can get more than that. Okay, we're getting close to the end here. We're in 20 minutes and 28 seconds. So I'm getting down here to where it's going to about start sputtering out. I got about that much left in the tank. Sit here with it. See right here. About 20 minutes and 53 seconds. Should start sputtering any minute now. I can already hear the pump. I can already hear the pump starting to get air right now. So at 22 minutes, which it went a lot further than I thought it was gonna. I thought it would be in about 15, 18 minutes, somewhere around there. So you can see here, we are at 22 minutes. It's probably gonna go to right around here, 23, 24 minutes, and that's gonna be all she wrote. Alright, I can tell right now. It's got about another probably inch on the bottom of the tank. I'll show you guys. But you gotta remember too what usable water is. So you can see right there, I mean, it's getting pretty low. Okay, if you're the last one in the shower, you're not going to get anything out of that. It's pretty much just blowing air now. So we're going to call it at 23 minutes. We are done. So 23 minutes of water. We're going to call it. It's 23:48, but we stopped it a little late there after I opened the shower door. So we're going to call it 23 minutes. So you do the math. You got to subtract if... Okay, YouTube, so you got to do the math on that. If you have showers, X amount of people, that's how many minutes of using the shower at full throttle. So it's not a lot. It really isn't. When you think about it, just think about that. You know, 2 people in here, that's me and Bev. 4 nights, 2-minute showers. That means each one of us can run the shower for 2 minutes. That's 16 minutes of water that we've used, and then the rest of the water has to go to the toilet, the sinks, and washing your hands and stuff throughout the day. So you don't realize how much washing dishes and all that stuff. So I just wanted to do this quick video so you can kind of see. It's about a little over 20 minutes, 22 minutes to take a shower. That's it. So divide that by how many people you have in the coach. When you have a 44-gallon tank, if you got a 100-gallon tank, double it. You got basically 45 minutes worth of water. Take a little bit longer shower. When we had our 45-foot fifth wheel, it was a little nicer. We had a 100-gallon water tank in it, but when you only have 44 gallons, you can only do what you can do. So, Paul Bates, peace out. Hope to see you guys on the trail. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. Ring that bell so you can see the videos that we come out. We do a lot of dry camping, and that's why I wanted to do this. I've been wanting to test it to myself because now I can do the math and calculate, you know, how many nights and what I can do with the showers. So anyway, I hope this helps you. Peace out. See you guys out at the campground. Paul.